you made, either you are intentionally defending error or you are ignorantly defending the same error. You come to my comment section and said, pastors do not force you to give money. It is your money. After all, how much do I have to give?
Okay, my people, welcome back again. Welcome back. We are here again to write on this, our brother's video, because he replied people that are questioning his decision to unify Igbos, that are like, if you have watched the video, the video that I made in the past, where I talked about these Ikwere people and Igbos in other parts of Biafra land, that are Igbo speaking people that are in Biafra land that are claiming they are not Igbo, from Okwale, Delta State, all this Delta North and all that, and Ikwere people, of course, saying that they are not Igbo, they are this, they are that, and some of them say they are from Benin. If you have followed those videos, you understand what I'm talking about now. So this guy, our brother, he said that people are questioning him. I have seen some people that were talking about Biafra in the past, Faith Ogala, for example, calling for the head of this our brother that Namen TV. People that are doing the same thing that this our brother is doing, they are receiving attacks just like PM is receiving. When you are doing something good for people, the enemies will be panicking and they will call for your head anytime they hear you talk about what will benefit you, like wounded civilians and all many mushrooms from Nigerian agent camp. They are doing everything to attack those people that are doing the right thing, to save or to teach people the real truth about themselves, which they don't know. Some of them may know, but out of ignorance, they choose not to, because they feel that, okay, if I say I'm Igbo now, somehow money will enter your pocket. I don't know where they got the idea or that kind of mentality, but that's not why we're here. So he replied to them on this video, and I would like you to listen very well. Before then, please like the video, give the video a thumbs up. I have noticed that most of us that watch the video don't care to like the video, not even to share it. Some are not even subscribing and all that, but it's not good. You are not going to lose any money from your pocket. You cannot support us financially. You can't support us, even those things that are not going to cost you anything. Come on, don't act like that now. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Comment and tell us what you think about what we are discussing. Let's hear him.
You are the one who said that Yahoo is a thief. And I asked you, did the Yahoo force you to give your money? You said no. But you are here defending a pastor that he did not force you to give money. What a hypocrite are you? Okay, fine, I agree with you that the pastor did not force you to give out your money. But the same you is in my comment section telling me I am forcing people to be Igbo. Is it not the same way your pastor has been convincing you on the altar? I am setting a video convincing you on internet. Have I pointed a gun or used a weapon to cajole you like the Fulani are doing by threatening you that if you are not Igbo, you will die or they will kill your village people? But you are here using English wrongly. That's why I said either you are doing intentionally or you are ignorant. Because if you know the definition of force and still use it wrongly in application of word in this case, then something is wrong with your understanding. They said if things are not properly defined, abuse is inevitable. That's why people are abusing the system and the life we're living. Look at this post. I have consistently made sure that I present my video with fact and evidence. I have never accused anyone that is Igbo without presenting fact and evidence. When I started making video, many of you are saying, you don't know history. What proof do you have? I now started presenting proof now. All you want to do is that I'm forcing you to be Igbo. Am I using rope for your neck, dragging you to be Igbo? Are you not Igbo? Look at this. These so-called Delta State recognize all of them as Igbo-speaking communities. This is Isoko North. The local government, all the villages there are recognized as Igbo. Look at it critically, pause it and look at it. Igbo-speaking tribe, that's what they call them.
Now, Now, this is the contradiction, okay, that Nigerian government and their system always give people. They will make you to believe one thing, but when you look into that thing critically, you find out that there's no need. In fact, you defending that thing, you'll be looking like a fool in the eyes of people that knows how to think critically. People that understand deep meaning of everything that happen around them, they will pay attention to study it. They will see you as Oyibelibe because you are the one that chose to defend nonsense. What this our brother said here may sound, you may not pay, you may not have time to think deep on that. Okay? Isoko people in Delta State, not only every Delta North, according to what he said here, every community there are being tagged Igbo speaking people. Okay, so like I was saying, if you see those communities telling you that they are, no, we are not Igbo, we are not Igbo, they are saying their government, their local government and their state government will just keep quiet, you'll be fighting each other. To them, they know you are Igbo. You know, stupidity is not something that anybody can just choose for himself. Sometimes it comes based on the in your inability to reason. You are not, your brain is not functioning properly. You have conditioned your mind, maybe the society have conditioned your mind to in such a way that you can't understand simple thing that ordinarily you don't need to struggle to understand it. Or maybe you chose not to because you want to prove how bad the system have hurt your brain and all that. Why? How can you say how can you see that your government, many of them don't know this, but there are many videos and evidence that will make you to say, oh, wait a minute, let me think about this. When somebody like Chukwumakadina Zogo, who happened to come from Delta State, he was the one that organized, or he is the leader of 1967 coup. And the government of the day are telling you that that coup was organized by Igbos, that the Chukwumakadina Zogo is an Igbo, that every officer, look, just listen, that everybody that is involved, or that leaders of that coup, because that's what, when you catch them, when you hold them, that look, there are Yorubas and the other ethnic group in that coup, they will tell you, yes, so yes, if you manage to convince them, or to prove it beyond reasonable doubt according to the lawyers, then they will not twist it by telling you, oh yes, we have other ethnic group, other people from other tribes that are part and parcel of the queue, but well, the leaders of the people that was leading the queue are all Igbos. Then you ask them, Chukwumakadina Zogo, you say that he's Delta State and Delta is not Igbo. Then how can you say that the queue was organized by Igbos? They will tell you, but he was but he's an Igbo. He was Igbo. He's from Igbo. Where did he from? Where did he come from? Anoma. I don't know the village. I'm just giving using Anoma as an example. Yeah, Anoma. There are Igbos in Delta. That they will tell you that moment that is Igbos in that there are Igbos in Delta. Then tomorrow, if you tell them, okay, Igbo land is in Delta, they will tell you are lying, you are dreaming. That Igbo end with your 5 states. The same person, the same mouth, the same everything. You see? Now, from this revelation that this our brother brought here, you understand what I'm saying. Listen.
Have you seen any of us who are making videos saying that we are Igbos in Delta or Rivers, saying that these Sokos are Igbos? Have you seen any of us? Have you seen any of us make such video? Why? Because they are speaking our language doesn't mean that we should drag them to say they are Igbo tribe. I'm the one saying it. But you that is Igbo, by your dialect, by the name of your village, by the name of your clan, you are Eche, you are Ogba, you are Ikwere, you are Nukwane, you are Ndokwa, you are Uika, as if denying that you are not Igbo. Is anything wrong with you? Are you not crazy? How do you want thunder to fire you? Is it by Amadio style or Boshongo style? Because something is actually wrong with your understanding and comprehension. Eche is Eche. Eche is not Igbo. What is the difference between Eche and Nsukka? You are speaking Eche dialect. Nsukka is speaking Nsukka dialect. But at the end of the day, both of you are speaking Igbo language. Understand English, that's English not be your mate. You lack comprehension and you lack understanding, and you are telling me and forcing you to be Igbo. Don't be who you be. These people now that are Isoko, we have never found they claim them to be Igbo, even though they speak Igbo. We know that. That's why in Igbo, we send up one nine. This is our brother. It's not like the Benin that called us slave and still wake up tomorrow and say we are their descendants. That is where the difference is. That is what we are trying to prove. That all of you are not descendants of Benin. I've said it consistently that whenever you use the word descendant, it means you're automatically a Benin man. And that's why we cannot call Isoko people descendants, because that means we are saying that Isoko people who speak Igbo are our Igbo already. We call them our brothers. These are our brothers. This is what we're talking about. Say me I'm descendant of Benin, and you are telling me I'm forcing you to be Igbo. Igbo. I'm out of here, Joe.
Okay, my people, we have come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. We have heard it also. We don't need to say much about it. Before you go, like and subscribe. Share the video. Let them know that we know who we are and we are moving ahead. God bless you all, and please don't forget to tell me what you think about what this guy or brother have said. God bless you all, and see you again.